We've been using the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 for over a year now. Here's 5 reasons why we like these little guys.
Notice how small that actually is.
Yeah,
Very
it's a
small
tiny little camera. I like it. No obscuring your vision. You don't want something bulky hanging from your windshield. The Garmin Mini Dashcam 2 really is mini. We really love that the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 has its own dedicated SD card slot, as I point to it right here. Check it out. You can take the card out, take it into your favorite device that you want to download to, and directly look at your content that way. Makes it way easier than other devices we've seen. We love that we can have multiple cameras in one simple to use app. As you can see, there's our 2 Broncos listed right there. All right, bonus tip. If you decide to use one of these Garmin Mini 2 dash cams, notice that red LED? Very, very bright and distracting at night when your car is dark. So we grab a roll of gaffer's tape, tear off a tiny little piece like this, and just tape right over that. Like so. Now it's covered up, and actually at night a very, very faint illumination of that LED will show through that gaffer's tape because it's a cloth weave. So there you go, that's why gaffer's tape. Thanks for watching. Links for all the products we used in this video are posted in the description below. Appreciate you guys.
Thanks.
Till the next one.
See you then. Bye.
It's mini.
Look at the size of that.
That's what she said.
Wow.
It has its own micro SD card slot that it records to. So we take the
Take the card out.
you can eject the card. Ejectocito, cuz.